Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
अरे रुको, ये क्या है? That's a very nice bag.
That's my new laptop bag.
It's a really cool bag. Cool design.
Yes. This really is very pretty. Can you guys see? This is from which brand? Idea. हम इनको बता सकते हैं ना इस ब्रांड के बारे में, कहाँ से मैं ये बैग ली हूँ?
क्यों नहीं, बताओ। अगर ये इतना अच्छा है तो सबको पता होना चाहिए।
हाँ, मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया। आई होप कि आपको भी पसंद आई ये, जैसे कि इनको आया है। So let me introduce you guys to my channel. Yes, it's Dev Kanya from Couplet Vlogs, and this is a very different video, not any vlog. I am gonna talk about this laptop bag which you can see. ये बैग मुझे रिसीव हुआ है कुछ ही दिन पहले, like maybe 2 to 3 days back. I received this bag from a brand called Zook. So Zook is an Instagram store, and I happened to receive this bag from Zook. This is a laptop bag, and trust me guys, this is just not only a laptop bag. This is a multi-purpose use bag, because you can use it anywhere, in your office, for a day trip, or for any other handy purpose. And you know what, it doesn't look formal. That's the best thing about this very laptop bag, because laptop bags are mostly very boring.
मुझे ये पहले लैपटॉप बैग लगा ही नहीं। I thought it's like a fashion statement वाला।
This is so classy and looks so stylish. So basically for girls this is the best option, and even they have various other designs which you can find it from their store. I will give the link in the description as well as on screen, but the link in the description is accessible, so you can use it. और लास्ट में एक सरप्राइज भी है, आप लोग पूरा शो यू। फर्स्ट आप जब बैग देखोगे, यहाँ पे पूरा ब्रांडिंग आपको दिखेगा। द ब्रांड Zook is clearly written, and this leather finish is absolutely great. It gives the bag such a classy look. Trust me, you're gonna love it when you have it, so don't miss it. So now let me show you. First, as the name suggests, this is a laptop bag. Can you see? This is the compartment for the laptop, and the material that they have used is perfect. I received this. I will read it out to you guys later. Then this is the strap which you can attach and use it as a sling bag, as a bigger sling bag basically. And then they have compartments here. You can keep your pen, small diary, and then even nowadays you can keep your sanitizer, a small bottle. And for this portion you can use anything which is of something of some sort of utility. Next, moving on to this, can you see the front pocket? See the compartment here, it's huge. And this is so handy. Even you can carry your mobile phone charger, you can carry a spare clothes if you're going out for some a short trip or some official trip. Then again you have this compartment here, which is another plus point for this bag. So even here you can keep small, you can keep chutas. That's the best thing that I keep doing. So I'm telling you, you can keep chutas here with coins and all that. So guys, right now I'm out for a trip and I'm carrying just this bag, and it helped me to bring my laptop, my essentials, my clothes, 1 or 2 clothes, then all my skincare products, like 2 or 3 skincare products for a night. So it looks stylish, it looks good, and it looks classy, as well as it serves the purpose. So this is good for a laptop bag, for a short trip, and as well as an office bag. So this is the thing. Now I will talk about the brand. So Zook is a Indian brand, proudly Indian brand to be precise. They use traditional Indian fabric like ikat, jute, khadi, and they are made in India. So the next thing is they're 100% vegan. They use only cruelty-free vegan leather. They are PETA approved vegan brand. Second, they are all handcrafted products. They are the handmade products by expert artisans, and they are handcrafted with love. So this is the entire thing for the Zook brand. And yes, as I say that एक good news है आपके लिए, जो लोग वीडियो को end तक देख रहे हो उनके लिए है. You have a coupon code from my side and you get 15% discount if you use my coupon code, and that's flashing on the screen right now, and that is YT Couplet 15. So आपको जो भी बैग पसंद आए उनके वेबसाइट से आप ले सकते हो. उनके पास बहुत सारे वैरायटीज के बैग्स हैं, नॉट ओनली लैपटॉप बैग्स. दे हैव स्लिंग बैग, टोट बैग्स, हैंड बैग्स, ऑफिस बैग्स, लैपटॉप बैग्स एंड वॉलेट्स एज वेल. सो यू कैन गो फॉर एनी ऑफ द बैग्स एंड आप मेरा डिस्काउंट कूपन कोड यूज कर सकते हो और आप परचेज कर सकते हो. उनका डिलीवरी भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत फर्स्ट है. सो दैट्स इट. आई गेस आपको इस बैग के बारे में जान के अच्छा लगा होगा और ये बैग भी बहुत पसंद आया होगा. इसमें जो फ्लावर मोटिव बना हुआ है, वैसे आपको बहुत सारे मोटिव्स में आपको मिल जाएंगे. मुगल मोटिव्स में है, ज्योमेट्रिक फिगर्स में है, बहुत सारा कलेक्शन है. आप एक बार उनका वेबसाइट चेक कर लो, लिंक मैं दे देती हूँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में और पिन कमेंट में भी रहेगा. और आप मेरा कूपन कोड मैं दोबारा याद दिला देती हूँ, आप कूपन कोड यूज कर सकते हो. And I guess that's it for today. If you like this video, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you think it can be useful for other friends or family of yours. And yes, comment down below how you like the video. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.